What is up, you guys? It is Bobby again. I know it's been a while. I've been going through a lot of personal stuff, but I am back up at Bugs Island this weekend for a little bit of fun fishing. The wind's supposed to really pick up today, but we're gonna do our best. We're gonna have a blast. I'm gonna be fishing with my buddy Bradley, and I'm also meeting my friends Gerald and Clint up here as well. And we're gonna go have a ball. We got some brim for bait and a variety of other baits, so hopefully we have a great day. Hopefully we don't get blown away, and it is good to be back. Stay tuned. Flathead. No, I don't want to boat. He's gut hook. I don't want to boat. I don't want to put that pressure. No, he's not. He's on the corner. Or on the flat skin. Hold on. Flathead! Let's go! Look at that! Is it a bowfin? Yes! What a bowfin, dude! State record, 15 pounds. That's the biggest, one of the biggest bowfin I've ever caught. Dude, I'm so happy right now. Two of my favorite fish to catch. And what a bait! Bowfin, baby! That is a channel over there. Not too bad. Yeah, there's my blue. All right. Well, you guys, we had an awesome day. We battled brutal wind, but it's all great company, great memories, and time spent on the water is always time well spent. I can't wait to talk to you guys again soon. I'll see you next time.